We deploy industrial-grade drill tech technology to obliterate the impossible, like construction glue, soap scum, and even tough grease. None of those stand a chance against our 360-degree rotation power. We don't wipe, we erase. Grout restoration isn't magic. It's torque, RPMs, and proprietary solutions working in perfect harmony. We target every surface with specialized brush heads designed for maximum extraction. This is surgical grade cleaning. From the ground and up to the ceiling, our advanced extension systems conquer forgotten dust, ensuring that the air is as clean as the floors. For biohazards, we deploy electrically charged mist that clings to every surface, front, back, and sides. For the icky, sticky stuff, we deploy super hot steam, safe for families and food. And don't worry, we are gentle when we need to be. This steam brings wood floors back to life without damaging them. This is not your everyday tidy up. This is the new standard. This is deep cleaning re-engineered.